Good morning, students. Now we are discussing about the chapter second. In previous video, I have given the example of number system, but at that time we were discussing about the points regarding one number can be converted into another number in context of translator. So now we want that there are different types of numbers. There are different types of numbers. Maybe decimal number, binary number, hexagonal number, octal number. So there are different types of numbers. So in today's topic, I want to tell you about binary to decimal or decimal to binary numbers. So today I am giving you one example here. Like suppose one number that is 50. One number that is 50. So if we want to check it, that what will be the binary number of 50? For that we have to divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Here 10, that's why 5. 2 5s are 10. So there will be no remainder. There will be no remainder here. That's why we can write 0. After that, again we are dividing it by 2. 2 1s are 2. After that, this number is left. So 2 2s are 4. So you can say 12 2s are 24. So remainder that is 1. After that, 2 6 are 12, remainder is 0. 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. So 1 1 0 0 1 0. Actually this number occurred in front of you, that 1 1 0 0 1 0. So that will be written from this side only. So here I am giving you the points, that 1 is written again, then 0 0 0 0, then 1, then 0 at last. So this is the conversion of the binary number to decimal number to binary number. You know that binary number that will come in the form of 0 and 1s. While if we want to convert it from this number to this number, so in previous video I have told you the conversion from one number to another number. So for that we have to take the examples, that we can check the numbers. So if this number will occur, if this number will come, then definitely it is exact. So that's why decimal to binary we are doing here. After that, binary to decimal we want to do. So 1 1 0 0 1 0. After that, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. See, here this type of things, this type of calculation we have to compute. So indexing that will start from 0 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here 5 is here, so it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It will come 5 times, as you know. This is the concepts of the math. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So 32 into 1 u plus 2 32 plus, if we are multiplying up to 4 times, so check it, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, so 16 into 1 u plus 2 16. After that any number we are multiplying with 0, then it will come 0 plus 0 plus the power of 2, that is 1, that's why 2 that should be multiplied with 1, so here 2 will come. After that check it, it is again multiplying with 2, sorry 0, then 0 will be written here. 2 6 8 2 10, so 1 is as a number, 3 and 1 4 and 1 5, so answer that is 50. So it is totally proved that it is the conversion of decimal to binary or binary to decimal. Here decimal to binary, and that number we are calculating here binary to decimal. So here 50 is written, here this number, so it is called decimal number and it is called binary number. Actually in math, if decimal places were there, if any decimal places will come, then definitely it will understand that it is decimal numbers. But in computers we can take the example, any numbers that is divisible by 10, that can be understood by the decimal numbers. So here don't think that we are telling you decimal number, we are telling you the binary numbers. So it is the best example, through that you are able to understand. Actually I am giving you another numbers, another number we are giving you, maybe any lengthy numbers. Suppose we are taking 230, so for 230 you have to calculate the binary number, as well as from the binary numbers you have to calculate decimal number also. So the checking, or you can say the correct answer, that will check that it is correct or it is not correct. So here I have given the examples. After that just we are giving you the points. Suppose we are having another numbers like 199. One number we are having 199. If we are calculating it by 2, it is dividing, we are dividing by 2. So in both the digits we have to divide. 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18. After that 1 is remainder, so here 19 that will come, so 99. I am telling you 199. So 2 9 ja 18, remainder is 1, this 9 will come. After that again we are dividing, 2 9 ja 18, remainder is 1. So in this same way we are writing here 1. After that just we are giving you the points. Again we are dividing it 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. 2 9s are 18, remainder is 1. See, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 6s are 12, remainder is 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. So from here you are writing as a binary number 1 1 1 and 1, then 0 0 0, 3 times 0 0 0, after that 3 times 1 1 1. So this is the binary number, this is the binary number of 199. So if you want to check it, don't worry, if you want to check it, for that we are writing here 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Here I want that 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. I am writing at the place of this thing. So here 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Check it that it will come in this way. So 2 की power 7, the power of 2, that is 7. It means 7 times it will be multiplied. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Check it. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 32 64, 64 and 2 128. 128 into 1 equals to 128 plus, after that check it, 6 times 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. After that 2 की power 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 equals to 4 plus 2 plus 1. I think you are able to understand why we are writing this. I think you can better understand. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1 equals to 4. Here the power of 2, that is 1. So it means 2 should be multiplied by 1. It means 2 1s are 2. After that the power of any number, that is 0. It means that value that will be understood by 1. So 1 into 1 equals to 1. Check it. 8 and 4. 8 and 4 12. 12 and 4 16. 16 and 2 18. 18 and 1 19. So here we have to check that 9 will be written. After that 1 will be carried. 1 will be carried. Check it. 2 and 4 6. 2 and 6 equals to 8. 8 and 1 equals to 9. After that this number will occur. So it is totally checked that by this process you can take out the decimal number to binary number or binary number to decimal numbers. So again I am telling you that if you are thinking that this type of number system, that is difficult. So don't forget. Don't be worried about that. Actually, I'm going to tell you the simplest way, so that you are able to understand how we can calculate it. Actually, I'm giving you the shortest number, any one numbers, so that it should also be calculated, so that we are able to go on the next number. If we are giving you the next number, that is 11, check it, 11, or 10 we are writing 10. So very simple, by the 2 you have to divide, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So 1 0 1 0. After that, if you want to check it, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. After that, 0 1 2 3, it will be written as a power. Check it. Here power of 2, that is 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 8 1s are 8, plus here 0, here 2 into 1. That's why 2 will be written after that 0. So 8 and 2, it is totally proved that by this process, the number system can be calculated. So if you are facing any problem, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number, as I have given you. My WhatsApp number is 91055755957. Again I am telling you, 91055755957. So this is my WhatsApp number, and through that WhatsApp or any other medium, or you can say the school app, through the school app you can ask the questions. So if you will study the number system, then definitely some problem that will occur. So on that you have to work more and more. Actually, I am going to tell you the other number also. Actually, the topic is that number system. So in these numbers, one number is hexa number and one is octal number, and another number, as you know, that is decimal number or binary number. So now, till now we were discussing about decimal number, and binary number. So we want to discuss about octal and hexadecimal numbers. So just I am going to tell you the concept of octal number in the same pattern. Octal number to binary number, if you want to calculate, On the basis of same pattern, I am giving you the points. See, one number, that is any number we are taking, like 65. After that, the base of this number, that is 8. So by 8 it is divided. In last numbers we are dividing by 2, but in octal number we have to divide by 8. Here what? 8 ja 64. 8 ja 64. Remainder is 1. So 81. That will be in the form of octal numbers. So here 81, that will be the octal numbers of 65. If you are taking 65 as a decimal number and you want to check, that what will be the octal number of 64. So 81, that will be the octal number. After that, if you want to check it, according to the previous method, so check it. 81 into 8 plus 1 into 8. In same pattern, 1, 8 1 ja 8, 8 ja 64 plus 1 into 1 equals to 1. Here 65 will be written. So it will be proved that if we are taking any numbers, so that will be in the form of octal number this, and in the decimal numbers this will be displayed. So this is the conversion of octal number to binary numbers, or decimal numbers, and decimal number to octal numbers. Again I am telling you one more thing, one more example I want to give you. Any number we are taking, like 256 we are taking. So check it by the 8. You can divide it. 8 3 ja 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Remainder is how much number? Remainder as will be remainder. So after 21, 1 will be remainder. So 1 and 6, 16. 8 2 ja 16. Indirectly you can say here 8 3 ja 24. Remainder is 1. So it will be 16. 8 2 ja 16. Remainder is 0. So check it. That 32 will be displayed. After that, here it will come 0. After that, you can check. 8 4 ja 32. Remainder is 1. So here 400 will be the octal number of 256. 400 that will be. So again you can check it. 400. So 4 into 8 plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 8. 0, 1 and 2. Check it. 8 into 8, it means 64. 64 and 4. 64 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 6 4 is 24 and 1, that is carry. So here 256. 256 plus 0 plus 0, it means 256. That will be the answers. Are you able to understand what I want to tell you? I think if you are facing any problem, you can contact me through any electronic mediums. I'm saying again and again. Actually, one more number system, that is hexa. As you know that binary numbers, that will be written in the form of 0 and 1s, and up to 8 digits octal number we can write, but hexa number, that will be written up to 16 digits. So I think you are thinking that only the number system, that is from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 the number system is, but rest of the numbers, rest of the digits for hexadecimal, that will be taken from where? So I am telling you the concept first. Check it. If any number we are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Check it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 digits. Up to 10 digit, it will be count in the following manners. After that, if you are writing 11, so for 11 you can write A. For 11 you can write A. For 12 write B, C, D, 13, 14, 15 and last is F, that is 16. So hexadecimal number, that will be written in this form. Hexadecimal number, that will be written in this form. So don't forget this thing. Don't forget this thing. If we are talking about the octal numbers, so that will be written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 any numbers can be written, but in hexadecimal numbers 0 to 9 you can write. After that A, B, C, D, E, F you are able to write. So this is the basic difference. After that I am going to tell you the conversion. Actually we are taking any numbers like 50. Like 50 we are taking. So here it will be divisible by 16, because the base of hexadecimal number, that is 16. That's why we are writing 16 here. 16 as you know that 50 that should be divided by 16. I am writing here. 16 3 48. After that 2 will be the remainder. So 16 3 48, then remainder that will be 2. Again if you want to divide it, so it is the smaller value, that's why 3 and 2 means 32. 32 that will be the hexa number of 50. 50 number we know as a decimal number we are checking, but it will be understood in the hexadecimal numbers like 32. Again we can check it that it is correct or it is not correct. So for that the same thing, 32 3 into 16 plus 2 into 16 0 and 1s. Check it. 16 into 1 equals to 16. 16 3 48. After that the number of power of any number that is 0, it means the value that will be 1. 1 into 2 equals to 2. Here answer that will be 50. So on behalf of this number system, I want that you should try more and more the number system so that you are able to work. I think some of the problems you will face, but try to complete it by the practice, and through that practice we can give you some sort of questions also, so through that you can able to understand what you can do or what you cannot do. Children, don't be hesitate to ask any questions. So I am giving you the questions also regarding this. You have to take one numbers, for example 105, and for that you have to check binary number, you have to check octal number, you have to check the hexa numbers. 105, for that you have to check all these numbers, and after that you should also check it that it is correct or it is not correct. So it should be in your practice. Actually, in the starting of the previous video I was saying that assembly language is there. Assembly language, in that for capital A, the code has been defined by the owner of the computer system was Americans. So for that 65 is defined, 66 is defined, C67 is defined. So for up to Z they have defined like 90. one number that should be increased. After that, you have to check that for the small ABC, they have defined 97, 98, 99, so on 122. So for the characters, they have defined the numbers. So you have to check it. You have to check it. If you are having this type of numbers in this, any numbers can be calculated like this. Suppose that here ST, S is capital and T is small. So first of all, we have to check what will be the value of S, or you can say very simple, if we have written by the keyboard that is AB, it means for A 65 and this that is 97. So it will be written in the form of binary numbers. So just I want to tell you the numbers. So for 65 we have to calculate. First we are calculating by 65. 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4. Remainder is 1. 2 1 is 2 and 2 6 is 12. Remainder is 0. 2 8 is 16. Remainder is 0. 2 4 is 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2 is 4, remainder is 0. 2 1 is 2, remainder is 0. So 1 0 0 0 0. Check it. 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5 times 0 after that 1. It will be written for A. After that we have to write 97. So for 97 we have to calculate 2 4 is 8, remainder is 1. 2 8 is 16, remainder is 1. 2 2 is 4, remainder is nothing. 2 4 is 8, remainder is 0. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, remainder is 0. 2 6 is 12, remainder is 0. 2 3 is 6, remainder is 0. After that 2 1 is 2, remainder is 1. So it will be written 1 1, then 1 2 3 4 times 0. So here for A it will be written, and for B double 1 4 times 0 then 1. So it will be written in the memory like that. So it will be hat-trick for us. If we are writing this. For that we have to use the binary additions. Actually the binary addition I will tell you later, but now I want only the number system or through the ASCII codes. I want to tell you that we are able to make the binary number system in this way. So, students, you should think on it that if you are having any problem, you contact me. But I think there will be the problem for the students that if they are calculating the number system, at that time some sort of problems they will face. So doesn't matter, but you should try more and more. After that, I will give you some sort of programs, some sort of number systems. Through that, you are able to work with this. So, if you are doing this, at that time, the points I want that if you are having your name any name you are having. So I am giving you the example only. Aman is here. For Aman, you have to calculate that what will be the ASCII value. For M, what will be the ASCII value. After that, A, for N. So for all the characters, you have to calculate what value will occur. After that, you have to check that what will be the binary number of this ASCII codes, like 65. For A, 65 is there. Any other numbers for M, for A, any other numbers, for N, any other number. So you have to check it. By own. Through that, you are able to work on it. So I am giving you another work. Actually, you are having a school name that is St. Paul's, or you are having Paul. Paul is here. So for Paul, you have to calculate the number system, the binary number system. You have to calculate one another work I am going to give you. One is Aman, one is Paul. Another number we are giving you. Another number we are having, another text, practice. So for practice, you have to calculate. For all these things, you have to calculate the things. And one another work I am giving you as an assignment, because you are having more time. So at this time you can practice. So it will be written in your notebook also. This practice that should goes in your notebooks also. And after that, one more thing, like not this, any other number. So these 5 name we have given you as a practice, and after that you should calculate the number system through that binary number system, and as well as you can calculate the ASCII codes also. So after that you have to note it down in your notes, and if you are facing any problem, directly you can contact me. Okay, thank you.